So I've smoothed all this down so it's flush and it's at the right angle that it's supposed to be, following along the curve of the deck like this. Trimmed the bits off the front so they're all flush. Looks a lot nicer now. But before we can put the deck on, we're missing a few supportive pieces. So I want to run another piece here and a corresponding piece on the other side to support the front more. And we'll also run a curved piece all the way along this bulkhead to support the aft end of the deck. The rest of the deck should be well supported by the gunnel and the columns. So yeah, just got to make up a few pieces to fit in those gaps. Believe it or not, I already had this piece lying around from another project. Turns out the curve is almost exactly correct. So I'm going to use it. Done the support for the back part of the deck. Just need to fill in these gaps now. And now I'm going to glue them in. I think also what I'm going to do, I'm going to fill this gap up with a bit of 9mm ply, because I think I might want to put a big old cleat here on the front of the deck, either for mooring or for towing, or I'm not sure, but I want to make sure that this is real solid so that if I do decide to put a big mooring cleat or bollard or whatever here, it'll have plenty of meat to attach to. I've got this piece of 18mm ply, and I'll cut a piece out and put it underneath there just to give it extra beefiness.